ng hold-upper sa'yo? Paano sa'yo na ibalik yan?
Oo nga. Kamukhang kamukha yan nung watch na nakuha ng hold-upper.
What are they talking about? Totoo ba yung sinasabi ni Lilith and Trixie na kasama yung relo na yan sa nakuha?
If that's stolen, how can you be wearing it?
How in the world am I wearing this?
Kung talagang smart si Era, she'd realize Renan's wearing the very watch na kinuha ng hold-upper. Oh, I really hope that your fiancé figures it out, Renan. When that happens, tignan ko lang kung paano ka makakalusot.